What are you doing? It's a dog. So
I'm going to do a little shrimp and potato number today. Okay. First, gotta chop up a potato. Now we've chopped up the potatoes nice and small, let's go ahead and get them started.
looks delicious.
Kind of a hybrid between shrimp and grits and shrimp potato tapas, similar flavor profile. And some egg, and then there's some nice chopped up fresh oranges on the plates. Thumbs up. What are you doing? Get it on before the shrimp. A little bit of vinegar. pepper. Put a little bit of vinegar in there. Smells good.
Muy delicioso. Is it good? You sure? Okay. Fast camera movements. Those are great for your brain.
Look at this weird new camera. See this weird new camera?
It's a stick.
Oh, wow.
Hello, stinker.
I know, it's weird.
Are you a good girl? Oh, my knees.
Using
Uh-oh, Abby's panicking. I guess I better stop. Are you mad at me? What's the matter? What's the matter? No, sweetheart, it's okay. It's okay, sweetie. No, baby. What do you want? What do you want? I can't step away from you for 30 seconds. I just want to see on the roof. Can I reach it? Am I tall enough? No, don't eat shit. I didn't eat shit. Oh, bye. Thanks for your concern.
Hi. Did you see what I hear?
Seems really okay. I like this tree too.
I like this here. It's shadowy.
I feel like this mic picked that up. That was pretty loud. Wow, what a joy to be young and alive. I guess it's okay. We don't want to get Abby bighorn sheeped. You don't want to be sheeped, do you?
It's the other way around. They think that dogs are going to scare the wildlife. I think that's probably true.
Yeah, she would scare them into headbutting her.
Yeah.
Just climbing.
Let's take a walk towards Skull Rock, and then one of us can go and actually see if we can see the skull. 'Cause I've never seen it.
Okay.
Hey.
Hello. Just kind of use it like What, a BMW going 50? The hell you say? They don't make it easy on us dog people. There is a trail to get here, but you know, dogs are bad for the wildlife.
So many people with dogs let them off leash. So I don't blame the park system having to accommodate the most asshole ones.
Are you saying assholes ruin everything?
Assholes ruin everything. Did you just come up with that?
No. Let's go look at the entrance to Skull Rock. Let's go. I can kind of see the skull. Let's go. You're not allowed.
Well, we gotta head back.
Yep, we came underprepared again.
We need water. Come on, little puller. Crazy how much better zucchini does than summer squash. it taste better with cream and actual pasta? Yes.
No. Pretty good. My knees. Hello. Oh wow. It's a dog.
Yeah. So he did my kiss. There she is. There she is. Good girl. Okay.